Legislation would make it a crime to leave a dog restrained outside during a natural disaster like a hurricane. During Hurricane Irma, more than 49 animals were rescued by authorities in Palm Beach County alone. News Channel 8 Capitol Bureau reporter Jake Stofan has more.
Videos like this one, released by the ASPCA, depict a harsh reality that often follows storms. The organization reported rescuing nearly 600 animals that had been left behind during Hurricane Michael.
There was a dog yesterday that was chained up to a fence post.
And as in this case, some are even left outside, unable to defend themselves.
They have no chance to survive.
New legislation would make abandoning a dog chained up outside during a natural disaster a crime, punishable by up to 1 year in prison and a $5,000 fine.
It's when you hike out of town and leave the dog tethered where they have no chance. And this bill is about giving all dogs a fighting chance.
Animal rights groups like the Humane Society hope if passed, the bill would make people think twice before leaving their dogs out in the elements.
Every family should have a disaster plan, and in that plan includes your pets. It's not okay to evacuate and leave your animal outside chained. If it's not safe for you, it's not safe for your pet.
Some lawmakers have raised concerns about the bill, calling it overly broad because it's not only limited to hurricanes, but also includes tornado and tropical storm warnings.
Half the time I don't know when a tornado warning has been issued or not issued, and how would I possibly be able to get home and unchain the dog?
The bill's sponsor did say he'd work on refining the bill moving forward, but what changes might be in store are unknown right now. Reporting from the state capitol, Jake Stofan, 8 on your side.
The bill has cleared one Senate committee, but so far it has not been filed in the House.